All right. Describe an interesting animal you have ever seen. This is your topic, and you got to speak on it for 1 to 2 minutes. You can start now, please.
There are many animal species all over the world, but the animal that I found interesting is the cheetah, and it's from the family of cats, and it has unique characteristics as well, and it's of pale yellow color. Its fur is of pale yellow with black dots all over the fur, and it's also considered as one of the fastest land animal because of its long legs. And I have seen I had seen this animal on TV in many documentaries as well, and sometimes in the local zoo as well. But I also had an experience to watch it live in a safari park a couple of months back, and the guide also had also had a lot of information about the cheetah. And about 2 months back, I made a plan with my friends to visit the safari park, and it was an interesting experience for all of us, as we were surrounded by many animals in live situation in an open jeep, and cheetah was also there. And it has many unique characteristics, like it has very magnificent eye view, means if it's for hunting its prey, and as I have already told, that it's one of the largest animal, one of the fastest running animal on the earth. And one saddest thing about the cheetah is that it's included in the endangered species because of the loss of natural surroundings.
Okay, you have spoken for 2 minutes. Well, instead of past simple, you are using present perfect at certain points. And the thing is, you're using and quite a lot. After almost every sentence, you just use one conjunction, and that is and. You should use moreover, additionally, furthermore. By this I mean what I want to say. And then you repeatedly said the cheetah. It should be only cheetah. Cheetah is proper noun, so cheetah is fine, right? So these type of mistakes. And you said magnificent. It's magnificent. So there is a pronunciation mistake as well. Now let's move on. We've got speaking part 3. How do you like taking care of animals?
Taking care of animals is a very responsible job. You have to take care about the basic necessities of the animals, like providing them food, water, shelter, and safety. And besides that, you have to take care of medical. You have to take medical care of the animals as well. So for me, taking care of animals is a very you may say hectic or responsible job.
Okay, what kinds of pets are most popular in your country?
In my country, in urban areas, people used to keep dogs and cows, dogs and cats as their pets, and sometimes they also have parrots in their houses as well. Whereas in rural area, they keep cows and different birds like hens, etc. as pets as well.
What are some of the advantages and disadvantages of having a pet?
If you are having a pet, then definitely you are having some companion at your home, and you are busy all the day with them, and you can spend good time. It's a source of recreation as well. And besides the advantages, there are some disadvantages, like some people are allergic from the pets, and it's already, as I have already told, that it's a responsible job, so you need to take care of them all the time.
Okay.
Almost.
Overall, it's good. Pronunciation is fine, apart from a couple of words. Fluency is good. That's your positive thing. Grammatical range, yes, at a couple of points you're using present perfect for past and these type of some mistakes. Lexical resource is okay, but if you use a wide range of words, it can improve your band score. At present, I'll rate you at around band score 7. Okay, you can improve further. Thank you.